All right, Trippers, one more stop to the town of Kenedy, the largest in the county, sitting just 4 miles from the courthouse. And while you're here, well, you should also bring your large appetite for delicious steak. The kind that's flame-kissed over mesquite wood at a place appropriately named Mesquite Wood Steakhouse. And keeping a tradition going here in Karnes County, it's yet another business run by the entire family, the Mayorgas. Before we bite into a juicy steak, how about an appetizer and a chat with Nazareth? All right, Nazareth, what is this?
This is our Wild West shrimp.
All right.
It's fried shrimp with pepperoncinis, jalapenos, and then some butter with a bunch of herbs on it.
You take fried shrimp and then cover it in butter?
Yes, sir, basically.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Whether the kitchen's cranking out tasty burgers, hand-battered catfish, or anything seared over its signature flame, you can be sure of one thing. Anything in Mesquite Wood, gonna be good. The family opened this steakhouse in the middle of COVID, motivated by struggle.
So with COVID, both of my parents lost their jobs. So my dad thought, well, let's open up our own place, let's try it. And
well, some of the best inventions come out of necessity,
yes.
You guys. And if you're gonna work, well, why not do something you love?
My dad is annoyingly into steak. He eats steak like at least once every 2 days.
So you as a kid are like, Dad, not another steak night.
I hate red meat to this day.
Now y'all run a steak restaurant though.
Yes, so I do have to eat it every once in a while.
Just for quality control.
Yes, sir. My mom, she's the brains behind the operation. Our family's from Central America, so she finds a way to put a little part of our culture into the food.
What should I get today?
Everything's pretty good.
If I go ask your dad, what's he gonna say?
Steak.
It's gonna
either ribeye or T-bone.
Okay. Well, you can't go wrong with either of those.
Yes, sir.
Certainly not. Time to check in with Mom, who's back manning the grill. All right, so what are we cooking today?
Oh, I'm cooking for you a ribeye.
Ribeye, let's go.
It's fresh, you see?
You were crazy enough to open a restaurant during COVID?
Yes, sir, it's crazy, but I need something to do because I need to work.
Sure.
I have a family.
Mm-hmm. What was the thought on the mesquite wood? Why do it over wood? It's harder.
It's hard, but the people love.
Yeah.
And the flavor is not the same. With the wood, the flavor go up. And the people love my food.
Yeah.
Because when I make the food, I put my heart, I put love.
Yes.
And I try my best.
Everything cooked with love tastes better, especially steak. I'm starting to wonder who the real steak cook is around here. Your husband, he's like the steak master, yeah? Or are you better at cooking steak than him?
Bob. I don't want to be mean.
She knows the truth, though. Oh, that looks so good.
So you want to try?
I do.
Yes, sir.
Let's get that on a plate.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I wish you could smell this plate. It is like a pure campfire. And my nostrils smell so good. But I'm gonna let the steak rest just a little longer because here's second appetizer. Homemade rolls and cinnamon butter. I guess technically this could count as dessert in some worlds, but not mine. Oh my gosh. All right, it's steak time. Oh yeah, that's good. Man, I tell you, there's some magic in that grill. The flavor of a wood-fired steak is something you can't replicate any other way. Opening a restaurant right in the middle of COVID is a bold move. But hey, that's our state. When has being crazy ever stopped a Texan? To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.